According to PTAB statistics, and PTAB is the Patent Trial and Appeal Board, bio and pharma and chemical patent IPRs have continued to file preliminary responses at similar rates as they were prior to the rule change allowing new testimonial evidence to be submitted, with about 85% of patent owners choosing to submit a preliminary response. Now, interestingly, biopharma and chemical patent owners have submitted new testimonial evidence at a higher rate than other technologies, with 48% of biopharma IPRs having new testimonial evidence submitted with the preliminary response, and 58% for chemical patent IPRs. So this is in comparison to about 35 to 40% of preliminary responses, including new testimonial evidence for the other technology types. Now, we at Fitzpatrick are planning on doing an analysis specifically for biologic drug patents to see if these statistics differ from the broader biopharma and chemical industry, and hope to report on that analysis soon. Now, overall, there may be a slight impact of allowing new testimonial evidence as according to the PTAB itself. Institution rates have declined in the last 2 years from 67% in the fiscal year of 2016 to 63% in the fiscal year of 2017 and 60% in the fiscal year of 2018 so far. Now, it's unclear if these declining institution rates are in any way impacted by the allowance of testimonial evidence at the patent owner preliminary response stage, but it certainly could have contributed. The important thing to keep in mind, though, is that the impact of such testimonial evidence is highly, highly fact-specific. So it really is difficult to make general statements about it. Now, I think a more interesting question is that the potential effect of this proposed Hatch-Waxman Integrity Act of 2018 on IPRs and PGRs in the pharma space is pretty significant. If enacted, this would essentially require an ANDA or biosimilar applicant to choose between the ANDA biosimilar approval pathway or challenging a patent in an IPR or PGR proceeding. Now, this would likely virtually eliminate the use of IPRs and PGRs in the biologic and small molecule drug space. And the benefits of quicker resolution of dispute via IPR would likely be outweighed by losing the opportunity to challenge many patents under sections 101 or 112, so that's utility, enablement, indefiniteness, as these are not available in IPRs. Now, with regard to PGRs, these challenges are available, but they're only available for the first 9 months after patents are granted, so it's less likely to coincide with a Hatch-Waxman litigation. So far, we've seen very few PGRs in the biologics context, so the availability of Section 101 or 112 set challenges in PGRs do not yet appear to be much of an incentive to go down this pathway. But we're seeing PGRs in the biologics space really pick up, though, in the last couple months. In fact, I've been involved with 5 of them in just the last 4 months. So it'll be interesting to see how this all sorts out in the future.